How to cast vertically on YouTube from computer. Hi, I'm Ellen Santos, support specialist at GMV Technology, and recently YouTube has launched a new tool called Live Shorts, which allows you to broadcast live vertically in that Shorts format, where you drag the screen and the algorithm suggests contents. You can access these streams by pausing any shorts and clicking on the Live button. This tool is a great strategy to engage your viewers and gain more followers. For your stream to be recommended on Live Shorts, all you need to do is broadcast vertically. If you're broadcasting from your computer, I'll show you how to set up that format in OBS Studio. With OBS open, click on Settings Broadcast. Under Service, select YouTube. Click Connect Account. A page will open in your browser for you to log in with your Google account. Click Output. YouTube's recommended video bitrate for full HD quality is 6,800 kbps, but it depends a lot on the performance of your machine and the speed of your internet. I recommend that you carry out some tests to determine the ideal bitrate. If you can't transmit at 6,800 kbps, you can use a lower rate without any issues. Click on Audio. Under Sample Rate, select 44.1, and under Channels, select Stereo. Click on Video. This is where you need to be careful. In order for your live stream to be recommended in Live Shorts, you need to set the resolution to a 9:16 aspect ratio. To do this, under Base Resolution and Output Resolution, change it to 1080 by 1920. This would be the full HD resolution vertically. Keep the FPS value at 30. Click Apply, then click OK. A chat tracking window is opened. Now you can set up the content of the broadcast. Insert your camera and the videos in the Sources window. In this tutorial, we are not focusing on this step. Click on Manage Broadcast. Here you will enter the live settings such as title, description, and thumbnail. Once completed, click Create and Start Broadcast. And if you want to broadcast on several social networks at the same time from a single source, do check out the plans from GMV Technology. Scan the QR code or click on the description link. If you found the tip useful, like, comment, and follow us on our social networks for more content like this.